Hi friends, today we are going to make bike flashing red lights on Proteus. Here is the circuit we are going to implement in Proteus. These are the components we are going to use. So let's start with Proteus. Okay, now here we are going to open a new project. We will give it a path to desktop. We are going to save it on desktop. Okay, and we'll rename it as a bike flashing LED lights. Next. Okay, this is okay. Next, no phone. Okay, next, finish. Now we are going to make the simulation of bike flashing LED lights. For that we will need the following components that I have wrote here. So first of all we are going to take a 555 timer IC. For that you have to go here, click on here, and here you type 555. Now here you will see that there are two 7 555. We are not going to use this one. Okay, we are going to use this one. 555 timer oscillator. Okay, we will just place it over here. Now what we have to do next is 12 LED lights, common red or white LED lights. So we will again go to here, devices, and search for yellow. Here blue and yellow. We will take a blue and yellow lights, diodes. And let's place 6 yellow lights and 6 green lights. Okay, now we have 6 yellow lights. Now we will get some green lights here. Search for green. We will take it with surfacing. Now we will twist them over here and just placing them in a right way so that it will be easy for us to implement the circuit. And now we have a 555 timer and 12 LED lights. Now what we need is to get a 10K resistor. We will go and search here resistor, here resistors, and then metal frame resistor and 10 kilo ohm. Okay, here we have 10 kilo ohm resistors. Just open and let's see this. You can see that 12 resistors are connected with the LEDs, while these two resistors are connected with timer and LED directly. Now we will see that R1, R2, R3 and so on. I will just put R1 over here, R2 over here, and R3, R4 and so on. Now we will just rotate them. You can also select the resistor, right click and rotate clockwise. Now let's place them in a sequence. These all resistors are of 1 kilo ohm, so we will just make it 1K. Just place them in the sequence. R2 is I think of 100 kilo ohms. We will do it 100 kilo ohm. Let's see this. Okay, now you can see that R1 is of 10 kilo ohms. Here it is R1 is of 10 kilo ohms. R2 is 100 kilo ohms. Here it is 100 kilo ohms, and all the other resistors are of 1 kilo ohm. So you can see that all the resistors are of 1 kilo ohm. Now we will connect the resistors and LED lights with each other as shown in the diagram. So we will just connect them. And we will connect it to the third port of this timer. Now we will connect this R3 with the R1 and this R1 with R2. Okay, now we will have a need a uh, capacitor and 9 volt battery. Now we will come over here, devices, type capacitor over here, just 10 microfarad capacitor. This is a this is a 10 microfarad capacitor, and now we will just rotate it. Now we will connect R2 with the first terminal of our capacitor 1. And now we will for ground we will come to here in this click over here ground. Place it over here and connect this ground terminal to this ground. Now this 8 port is connected to the here, and 5 is connected to here, and 2 is also connected over here. You can see that this number 4 is also connected in here, and then is connected in the middle of R1 and R2. We will take number 7 and connect it in the middle of R3, and we will connect number 4 with here. Now you can see that number 1 is connected to ground. Here we have connected number 1 with the ground, number 2 and number 5 with the in the middle of R2 and capacitor. It is okay. This is also okay. Okay. Because we didn't attach a battery over here, so we will go over here, and here we will search for battery. We will take this battery, and we will connect 9 volt battery. We have a 9 volt battery, and we will connect the first this turn the negative terminal of the battery with the C1, and the positive terminal of the battery with R1, R2, and let's see to the circuit. Mm, Here you can see that this number 6 and 2 are connected in between the R2 and C1, but we have connected 5, so we will just make it correct. We just have to make this ground over here. We just connect this here, then we will connect it with the ground. Now we'll just run this. Now you can see that the circuit is working very well, but this is not working. So, okay, there you can see that we are giving it 10 kilo ohm. So we will just make it 1 kilo ohm, and here our circuit of bike flashing LED is now completely on the screen. Just put it. We can also add a button here. If, go over here, devices, search for button, and here you can see that button. Add a button over here. Uh, Rotate it. Okay, now delete this line. We will connect the battery with the first terminal of the button and this to the. Okay, just run this circuit. You can see that the circuit is not working, but when we press the button, you can see that when we press the button, the circuit is working very well.